checkered nails are a thing, but I'm gonna spice it up a little using our Heat Wave regular polish. So this is not stamping polish. Ooh, it's nice, smooth, reminds me of a highlighter color. Love these colors, they're so pretty. Okay, today I'm going to use this plate, and today I'm also going to be using our monocle stamper, and the reason for that is because it's just better for picking up straight lines. So with a design like this, you don't want to dig out the polish, so you have to make sure that you're scraping at a flatter angle. Take your monocle stamper here, and we're just gonna pop it on. And now I am going to go ahead and top it with our smudge free. Can't do anything without the smudge free, especially when you're stamping. So here you go. This is the final look with the top coat. And now you guys will be able to recreate this for yourself and see what kind of color combinations you guys come up with.